Hello, if you want to record the screen on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, all you need to do is open the quick access. So swipe from the top towards the middle twice, and then you will open the quick access. Over here you can scroll through pages in order to try to find the screen record button, and if you press it then you will start recording. However, if you don't find this button, if you cannot find it, then you can press this pen icon over here in order to edit the tiles, and then you might be able to find it over here at the bottom of this list, where you have hold and drag to add tiles. So you can, let's say this is the screen recorder, you can simply press and hold the finger and then drag it towards the quick access tiles. Alright, so now that you have screen recorder, we can press this button in order to start recording. We can also select if you want to record the whole screen or just a single app. You can also choose to record audio, so you have the microphone, system sound, both, or mute, so nothing at all. So over here you can switch things up. You can also enable and disable the camera, as well as you can make your touches visible on the recording. So once you are prepared, we can press start recording, and there we go. In 3, 2, 1, and now we are recording. And there we go. We can do whatever we want in order to record. We can press this arrow in order to find additional settings like this pen over here. We can also change the color, of course, to something different. And we can mute or actually change the sound setting. We can set the microphone, system sound, mic, and system sound, and of course mute. We can enable and disable the front camera, which will be visible over here. And we can also pause the recording. We can renew it, and there we go. We can also just remove everything that I had drawn by using this arrow over here. And if you want to stop recording, just press this square, this red one over here. And there we go. Then we should have the notification about the recording. We can tap in order to see how it looks like. And later on you can also find it in, for instance, Files app. So if you open the app drawer, go to Google folder, then over here of course you have Files. And over here we have Screen Record, where we have our video. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.